In the heart of Marion, close to shops and churches, Resthaven Marion offers high-quality residential aged care, respite and support with daily living. Residents at Resthaven enjoy a varied lifestyle program that includes games, art activities and spiritual support, or enjoy a quiet space to read a good book. Regular outings on the Resthaven bus are an enjoyable way to see the sights. Friendships are fostered, relaxing in the well-appointed lounges, and catching up with friends in the popular Haven Café, or pick up a few extras from the well-stocked shop trolley. Our spacious gardens offer a pleasant space to enjoy nature. Another feature is our own hairdressing salon. Freshly cooked home-style meals are prepared daily on-site and delivered to our comfortable dining rooms. Residents are encouraged to personalise their rooms, which all feature en-suites. We recognise and embrace the diversity of the Australian community, which is reflected in Resthaven's residents, clients and staff. Resthaven carefully selects our staff, who all undertake mandatory training relevant to their roles. They take pride in the home and are committed to providing high-quality personal care and support. Resthaven Marion features excellent security and fire systems, protecting everyone's safety. Adjacent to the home, a retirement village features 1- and 2-bedroom units that offer an independent lifestyle with peace of mind and their own communal space to get together. If the need arises, retirement living residents can access wellbeing groups or in-home support services from Resthaven Marion Community Services. Group and individual day respite support for carers is available at the heritage-listed Hersey Cottages on Township Road. Have confidence knowing that Resthaven has been supporting older people since 1935. Why not take a tour and see for yourself? Check our website for tour dates and times.